AMD might be about to make one of the strangest decisions in modern desktop CPU history. According to a new leak, AMD's next-generation Ryzen desktop chips, codenamed Olympic Ridge and expected to be based on Gen 6, may remove the small integrated GPU and replace it with an integrated NPU. And that sounds small at first, but this is the catch. The iGPU is not there because gamers expect it to replace an RTX graphics card. It's there because when something goes wrong, it can save your entire PC build. So the real question is not just, does Ryzen need AI? The real question is, should AMD remove a practical desktop feature for an AI engine many gamers may not use? Current Ryzen 7000 and Ryzen 9000 desktop chips have basic Radeon graphics. Not for gaming, just enough to show an image, run Windows, and help with troubleshooting. And that part matters. If your dedicated GPU dies, you can still boot. If your graphics card has not arrived yet, you can still test the build. If you are dealing with a black screen, bad cable, BIOS issue, dead GPU, or driver problem, the iGPU gives you one more way to find the fault. That's why this leak is controversial. AMD would not be removing something useless. It would be removing something basic and practical. Nobody buys a Ryzen 9 expecting the iGPU to replace a Radeon RX 7900 XTX or GeForce RTX 4080. But plenty of builders are glad it exists when the system refuses to show an image. Now AMD's side also makes sense. An NPU is a dedicated AI engine. It can run local AI tasks more efficiently than a CPU or GPU. AMD is pushing Ryzen AI, XDNA, and local AI processing because features like live captions, transcription, image tools, and offline assistant can benefit from dedicated acceleration. So AMD is not chasing AI for no reason. But that argument is much stronger in laptops than desktops. A laptop needs battery efficiency. A gaming desktop has a wall power, a strong CPU, and usually a dedicated GPU. If that GPU is from Nvidia, it already has tensor cores, CUDA, DLSS, frame generation, and a huge AI software ecosystem. So if a gamer already has an RTX card, what does a small desktop NPU really change? That's the problem. AMD could be adding an AI feature many desktop users may not need, while removing a display feature almost every builder can benefit from at least once. The best answer should be iGPU or NPU. It should be iGPU and NPU. Even a tiny display engine would be enough. It does not need to run Cyberpunk or Starfield. It just needs to boot the system, show Windows, and help users recover when the GPU fails. Then AMD can still say Ryzen is ready for the AI PC era without creating an unnecessary downside. Zen 6 itself could still be a major upgrade. AMD has officially extended AM5 support through 2029, which is big for anyone already on Ryzen 7000, Ryzen 8000G, or Ryzen 9000s. Leaks also suggest Ryzen 10000 could bring better efficiency, higher IPC, and maybe higher core counts beyond the usual 16-core mainstream limit, although that's not official. So the upside could be serious. But if Zen 6 is already shaping up to be strong, why create a trade-off users will complain about immediately? The timing also looks strange because Intel and Nvidia are working together on future x86 RTX products. If that leads to compact systems with Nvidia RTX graphics, AMD will face more pressure in areas where Radeon integrated graphics and APUs have been a major strength. So AMD has to be careful. Desktop users are not against AI. Gamers are not against new hardware. PC builders are not against progress. They're against losing useful features for AI branding. If AMD adds an NPU while keeping basic graphics, the reaction is simple: good upgrade. And if AMD removes the iGPU to add the NPU, the reaction becomes much messier. Powerful CPU but questionable trade-off. Zen 6 could be one of the AMD's most important desktop CPU launches in years, especially with AM5 support through 2029. But if the iGPU removal leak is true, AMD should think carefully. An NPU should be an addition, not a replacement for basic display output. Because the future of PCs may include more AI, but the future still needs a screen. So what do you think AMD should do? Keep the iGPU, add the NPU, or remove the iGPU completely if CPU performance improves. Comment your answer below, and for clear, no-nonsense CPU, GPU, and gaming upgrade coverage, subscribe for the next one.